Welcome to Summarize Science, where we break down the latest breakthroughs. Humanoid robots are becoming incredibly advanced, capable of walking, running, and even dancing. But they have a big problem. They're often too stiff and rigid. If a robot is trying to follow a pre-programmed path and bumps into something, it will often try to forcefully push through it. This makes them unsafe to have around people and easily damaged. To solve this, researchers from MIT have developed a new framework called SoftMimic. SoftMimic teaches robots to be compliant, to have a soft touch, and yield to external forces gracefully. The core idea is to change what the robot is learning to imitate. Instead of just learning to copy a single, rigid motion, the researchers first created a huge dataset of compliant motions. Using a sophisticated solver, they simulated countless scenarios where the robot gets pushed or blocked while trying to perform a task. For each scenario, they generated the ideal, safe, and balanced way for the robot to react. This creates an augmented cheat sheet of movements for the robot to learn from. Then, an AI is trained through reinforcement learning to mimic these new, compliant examples. The robot learns to implicitly understand the forces acting on it just from its own sensors and respond in the gentle way it was taught. One of the most powerful features is a user-specified stiffness setting. Operators can essentially tell the robot how stiff or soft to be on the fly. For example, the robot could be programmed to be very gentle when interacting with a person, but it could be commanded to be stiff and strong when it needs to lift a heavy object. The results are pretty amazing. When tested with a tower of blocks, the robot could be commanded to either gently push on it while maintaining balance, or use high stiffness to knock it over completely. A robot trained on picking up one specific box size could generalize its skill to pick up boxes of various widths, all while applying a consistent, gentle squeezing force. This adaptability is a huge step up from rigid motion tracking. So, to recap the key points, robots are often too rigid, which is unsafe. The SoftMimic framework teaches them to be compliant by first generating a dataset of safe, gentle reactions to external forces. It then trains a single AI policy that can mimic these reactions and even adjust its stiffness on command. This is a crucial step towards deploying humanoids in real-world, unpredictable environments. It paves the way for robots that can work safely and effectively alongside people in our homes and workplaces. The future of robotics isn't just about being strong, it's about having the intelligence to be gentle.